Oh hey, welcome to Pure Light Ministries. Today, we're in the garden again. Come on, let's go see what's growing. When you're in the garden, it's important to inspect your plants for any harmful insects, damage, or rot. Here in the garden, we know that if a plant is good and healthy, its fruit will be good and healthy also. But if a plant is rotten and bad, its fruit will be rotten and bad, for a tree is known by its fruit. As you can see, there are many types of insects and pests that can cause damage to our plants. If we're not careful, these insects will devour and destroy our entire crop. You know what's crazy about gardening and the Bible? There's a lot in common. Just like we can protect our plants from the dangers of insects and disease, we also need to protect our lives from the dangers of sin and disobedience. So let us ask ourselves, are we inspecting the garden of our faith?
Be sober, be vigilant, because your adversary the devil walks around like a roaring lion seeking whom he may devour.
While your plants grow and mature, its fruit will experience a heaviness. This weight can put a tremendous pressure on the branch, forcing it to tear away from the plant. If we're not careful, the branch could break off and the fruit will no longer grow. Now dead and good for nothing, these branches will be collected and thrown into the fire. And so it is with our relationship with God. The Messiah said,
I am the vine, you are the branches. If you remain in me and I in you, you will bear much fruit. Apart from me, you can do nothing. If you do not remain in me, you are like a branch that is thrown away and withers. Such branches are picked up, thrown into the fire, and burned.
As the long hot summer comes to an end, the hard work of maintaining our garden is finally over. We must be wise to gather our harvest before it's too late. If we delay, we'll have missed our opportunity to reap our reward. In the same way that we overcome the obstacles to keep our plants healthy and free of disease, which ensures a plentiful harvest, let us also overcome the temptations of sin and destructive patterns in our lives, storing up for ourselves rewards in heaven.
To the one who overcomes, I will grant the right to eat from the tree of life in the garden of God.
And so it is. As we give thanks for the fruit of our labor, let us remember to produce spiritual fruit worthy of repentance. For the fruit of the Spirit is love, joy, peace, patience, kindness, goodness, faithfulness, gentleness, and self-control.